All right, let's talk about your secret weapon for growth. Seriously, imagine having a whole suite of incredibly powerful AI tools right at your fingertips. We're talking about tools that can take you from just a simple idea all the way to a finished product and even build the business to support it. And here's the kicker, all without costing you a single dime.
And I mean that literally. What if you could create a compelling visual explainer just like the one you're watching right now?
Just think about the usual hurdles for a second. The expensive cameras, the lighting, the technical know-how, not to mention the sheer amount of time it takes. For most of us, for most creators and entrepreneurs, those barriers are high enough to stop a fantastic idea dead in its tracks.
And that, right there, is the heart of the content creation challenge. You've got the vision, you have the expertise, the message, but turning that into a high-quality video or a working app, it feels like trying to climb a mountain. The cost, the complexity, it's a huge roadblock.
But what if we could just bypass all of that? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on a total game changer from Google that puts the power of a full-blown production studio right on your desktop. Okay, let's really dive into this.
So this isn't just one tool. You got to think of it as a connected ecosystem of free AI apps, where the output of one just becomes the input for the next. And these aren't some complicated tools made for data scientists. Nope, they're built for you, the entrepreneur, the creator, the business owner who has a vision. So what can you actually do with all this? Well, you can generate stunning images and video just from text. You can instantly analyze your business data. You can build actual working apps without coding. You can even create your own team of custom AI assistants. What's so amazing here is how it covers the entire workflow, from that very first spark of an idea all the way to a finished product, and the business that supports it.
Every great project starts with an idea, right? But an idea needs some structure to fly. So let's start with step one, using AI to turn a vague concept into a rock-solid plan and doing it faster than you've ever done it before. Okay, meet NotebookLM. Think of it as your personal research assistant. You can just upload all your source material, we're talking articles, documents, even audio files, and then you just start a conversation. Ask it to create a mind map of the core themes. Then, from that mind map, ask it to generate a detailed script outline. It's an incredible way to streamline your brainstorming, going from a messy pile of research to a clear, narrative structure in just a few minutes.
But what about researching other videos? That's where Gemini Ask on YouTube comes into play. You can literally have a conversation with any YouTube video. Ask it for a summary of the key points, and it'll pull them right out for you, complete with automatically generated chapters and timestamps. It's such an incredible time saver.
Okay, so you've done the research, you've got your script outline locked and loaded. Now for the really fun part, turning all that text into a visual reality. Let's move on to step 2 and actually bring this video masterpiece to life.
First things first, your video is going to need visuals. With AI image generators like Google's Imagine, you basically become the art director. All you have to do is type a simple description, like say a futuristic city skyline at dusk, and the AI just generates a high-quality, totally original image for you to use.
Now, static images are powerful, for sure, but we're here to make a video, right? So the real question is, how do we get these ideas moving?
And this is the showstopper. With Google's video generation model VO, you can feed it a text prompt or even one of those images you just made, and it will generate a stunning, high-definition video clip. Just imagine creating custom animations, product demos, or social media ads without ever touching a camera. This tool basically puts a professional-level video studio in anyone's hands. It's a total game changer.
So you've created your video. Awesome. But the power of this toolkit doesn't stop there, not even close. Now let's look at step 3, using these same AI tools to optimize the entire business workflow that happens around your content.
So imagine you have a spreadsheet, and it's just filled with customer feedback. Instead of spending hours sifting through all of it, you can now just ask Gemini a question directly inside Google Sheets. A prompt like this one turns all that raw data into strategic insight.
And boom, here's the result. In seconds, the AI pinpoints the top issues, and it doesn't just stop there. It actually suggests a concrete, actionable marketing plan to address each point. This is all about making smarter, data-driven decisions in an instant.
What if you need a platform for your business? Well, you don't need to go hire a developer anymore. With Google App Builder, you can just describe the app you want, and it will auto-code it for you. And with Firebase Studio, you can build and publish entire websites and landing pages, all from a simple AI-powered workspace.
And for those really specialized tasks, you can create gems. Think of these as your own little custom AI assistants. You can give them specific instructions, upload files for them to learn from, and basically train them to be your expert on anything. Social media management for the video you just made, customer support, you name it.
So we've walked through the whole process, the research, the creation, and the business side of things. The tools are here, they're free, and they're incredibly powerful. The technology is no longer the thing standing between your great idea and a successful business.
And that's the complete journey we've just mapped out, right? You can go from that first little spark of an idea to a researched script, to a finished video, and even build the app and website to support it, all using this free, connected AI toolkit.
So that leaves just one final question. And this one's for you. With all these barriers torn down, and with this incredible power at your fingertips, what story are you going to tell? What will you create?